C-3PO, mate, I'm really sorry I threatened to stick your head up Anne's ass.
So take his golden fucking head and shove it up your fucking ass.
Yeah, if any of you creepy little should be living under a bridge pricks seen a gold, British, gay butler droid with a silver leg that's never quite explained? Yeah, like that one. Wait, exactly like that one.
Oh, Shiny, you were gonna fit this up whose ass?
It's a figure of speech. You know, you folks sound a lot like Mistress Handbag.
Yeah, you fucking...
No, fuck that. Let it die. The bit's done to death. We've only got a limited repertoire of voices to work with, and we've barely built an audience yet. Why the fuck would you make a rod for your back?